In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to open Photoshop for the first time and start your first assignment. Open up Photoshop. It's probably going to look something like this, where it shows you documents that you've already opened. You can view it in a list mode or just as little icons. There's a chance that when you first open it, it might already have started the Create New window. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that because that's the first thing you'll need to do. And you'll get this window here. Like I said, this might already be the default setting when you open your Photoshop. Everybody's could be a little bit different at first. So what you want to do when you get this window is to choose the type of document you're going to work on. If you're going to work on a photo, they're going to give you different sizes. If you're going to work on a website, there's different settings for default website documents, film and video. We're just going to go ahead and for now and just choose a photo. Actually, let's go up to web. All right, so let's go and choose web most common. So use that as your first document that we're going to make here. You can also see if you wanted to make custom sizes, you can change the width, the resolution, and all that. We're going to do that at another time. For now, let's just go ahead and choose web most common. Click on that and then go down here and press create. So what that does is it gives us an artboard, and you'll see over here on the side there's some different tools that are open. I'm going to show you how to change that. Now to zoom in on your artboard, you can either push Control plus to zoom in or Control minus. If you press the space bar, it gives you this hand and you can move your window around. If you want your artboard to fill the entire window, then you can just push Control 0 and it will zoom in all the way. Alright, so you'll notice over here that you have layers. This is going to be something that you have open a lot, and I'm going to explain those more later. But I also want to show you how you can change your workspace. If you go to Window, and by the way, anything that you need open at any time, if it's not open, if you look under Window, you can open that tab. So we're going to start off with Workspace. Notice how there's these different settings for different workspaces. We're going to leave ours on default, but I do want to show you that if you change that, like let's say you're going to do a painting, it changed the tabs that are over here on the right. Okay? Or if you go back to, like let's say photography, it kind of gives you other things that you can use for photography assignments. But for now, let's go ahead and just leave it on Essentials default.